right, guys.
Woo!
How was your experience?
That was freaking awesome.
Was it?
Guaranteed. You will have fun. Guaranteed.
I'm so glad you guys had fun.
Thinking about doing it? Do it.
It was incredible, man. Yeah, that's all I can say. Yeah, our first time, and it was one of the best experiences of my life, man. So. I'd recommend it to anybody that's never went on the trails before, man. I've been up in northern Michigan for 20 years now, and never been on the trails. It was amazing, man.
So I rented a turbo racer in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Dudes.
Yeah.
No shit, this was more fun.
Really?
Yeah, this was more fun.
How was the trails?
The trails were amazing, and that was probably partially why.
Yeah.
You know, we were out in the dunes, there's a lot of people out there, we had to be super careful.
Thank you.
Let's go.